Okay, for some reason that cut off, but I'm going to keep the footage. It'll be very short, but you can't do an unboxing in an unboxing. So that I had just unboxed this piece, and this is it's a C.A. Gustave Medium Giant PL notebook. And it's just, inside it's just regular old pieces of paper, except at the bottom it does say Louis Vuitton. So we showed this piece. There's the back again and the front. And what I love about this, it's called Giant, is the name of the pattern. The only other thing that it's in is the on-the-go. I don't know if it's called a briefcase or a tote, but it's huge. It's expensive. And so one way to enjoy the pattern without spending a lot of money is a small leather good or accessory. So this is the other piece that I ordered, and it's a keychain. So let's just go ahead and order it. Open it again. This little card, you see the little white thing sticking out, that little card. If you want to, you can pull it out and put to, from, and a sentiment on it, and you can just send this as a gift, and it's pre-packaged, so with the Louis Vuitton gift wrap. So that would be perfect, and that's why I believe that Louis Vuitton does that. I'm trying to keep the little. Okay, so once you get this piece off, the rest of it is a little drawer. You just pull the drawer out. And I get two pieces. I have no idea what this little piece is. It can't be a lot because this isn't a purse or a... Oh, they're starting to do this now. I got this last time. They're giving you little samples of their new perfumes. This one is Sun Song. Well, shall I? Or shall I just gift it to y'all? I'm going to try it. Maybe I'll gift it to you, but I am going to try it. Sun Song. Okay. I don't have anything on. Oh, that's nice. You're not getting it. I give you all the nice stuffs too. You know what it smells like? Suntan stuff. That's really nice, y'all. It smells sort of like suntan with some orange lemon background. There's a very strong citrus end note. And a kind of, it's not coconutty. I can't really describe it, but Sun Song, I would definitely recommend that one. Okay, so here's what I actually purchased. This tiny little bag. And you flip it over, and there should be a keychain in here. And there it is. I love it. Now, some of y'all are going, Beth, really, with all the keychains you have? Hold on, because those of y'all who know me well, you know that I collect keychains. I have to show this. Who does this? Who has this many keychains? It's sick. It's truly sick. Oh, there's that one. I really needed that one. So is my pineapple one on there? Where is that? Because I was at 2 Main Street, and their pineapple is one of my favorites. I don't see it on here. So there's even more keychains that are on here. And so now I'm getting a keychain. But I loved the colorway. Again, so this is the other colors that had this hot pink, the orange, the yellow, and the white black. The handles on the handbags are white black, which is really unusual. But see these kind of bright colors? I just loved it. But it only came, again, I'll just let you see both these together. It only came in the, what am I trying to say? On the go. And then these small leather goods. Okay, and so besides the LV and the little tassel, it's got a place for keychain and the hook. And it has this little charm, which is their little floweret, which I will take the plastic off and put that on my keychain. So that is the 2 items. I know this is going to be a short video. You know, I may only use this video because the other one, it was the unboxing of this, but it went off on one thing. So let me just show this to you. Maybe I'll just use this if y'all don't mind. So you didn't get to see the actual unboxing of the other item, but it just came in this box. And again, this is the notebook. And I love this purple. It's kind of like a thistle, you know. It's like a very blue purple. And then this lime green, and the large or the giant logo is where the name Giant comes from. And then when you flip it around, you see the regular size logo, the LV monogram. And it's in this really pretty tangerine, literally in person, because of the texture. It looks like oranges. It looks like an orange, and then very pale monogram. So I don't know if you can see. I'm going to turn that at an angle so you can see without the glare. It almost looks white or cream, but it's baby pink. So that is my 2 items. I guess I will make this just one, so I'm going to just scratch that other video. Let me hold that tag up so you can see. Again, the hot pink and the orange. It's a different shade of orange than this, as you can see. And then this mustard yellow, like a goldenrod yellow tassel with the white holder and the little LV logos in black. And that's true on the handles of the bags as well. So I really, really like it. Again, if you are trying to invest in a certain brand, but you can't afford like their handbag or their briefcase or whatever, then you can always invest a little at a time in their small leather goods or accessories. They have scarves, you know, stuff like that. There's keychains, obviously, stuff like that. All kinds of accessories and stuff. Or you can just save up for the item that you want, you know. Sometimes I've just, you know, if I really liked a particular brand, I saved up for it, or I got it used. Sometimes I will get it used. And usually I will go ahead and pay the little extra of used but new quality, and it'll say it has original packaging, dust bag. The ones you really want to get is with the original receipt, but that's almost as much as the original. So that means somebody got it and then they decided to sell it. Or it could be they got it because they were going to upsell it. So be careful of people that do that. But again, I do like to get things new when I can, and I just either save up for it. You're never going to see these things on sale, but you can. Sometimes, no, they'll never be on sale. They don't have sales. But anyway, it's a way to get into a brand if you really like a brand, but you can't afford the brand. And again, these are material goods. There's no good cause for the world that I'm going to be doing by buying a bag, even though they do engage in some causes. Each one of the brands has their own causes that they promote. But, you know, this is just purchasing a material item. It's not ethical or unethical. It's not a good cause or not a good cause. It's just because it's something I wanted. It's material. And I just make sure that I balance that with giving back to the Lord first in my tithes, and also just philanthropy and stuff like that. Just not for y'all, to show the Lord that I know the money's His and that I want to give to Him first. And then if I have a little extra, I buy me little treats, or I buy y'all little treats. Don't worry. When I say me, I mean my family as well. It's like, does she ever do anything for her family? Yes, 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 yes. But I do enjoy doing stuff for y'all too. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this. And I'll talk to you again soon. I'm really got to tell y'all, I love this little perfume, this Sun Song. Y'all, that smells really good. I'm going to put a little extra on and put it on. That's wonderful. Y'all, I think that's like, it reminds me of orange blossom. Real strong orange blossom, but an after scent of something like lemon or lime. Lemon, probably. We'll have to look online at what are the notes. All right, you guys. I love you so much. I'll see you again soon on my next video. Bye! Bye, 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 bye.